Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today was supposed to be a full face of brand new makeup, including makeup subscriptions and then makeup that I purchased myself, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't have time. But I figured the trend right now is glowy skin. As you can see, I'm having a bit of a breakout because I've been super stressed. I did record a video on a day that I was having the roughest time ever, but I didn't edit it. I think I just recorded it just to get some stuff off of my chest, and I didn't delete it, but I'm not going to be uploading it or anything like that. So I figured, why not jump on and do a video of the makeup that I've been doing for the last like 2 weeks. It's been really really natural, no eyes type of makeup, just a little bit of bronzer on my eyes. I haven't really been inspired because I have been feeling so down lately, and everything that I've been seeing, because summer's coming, is like a glowy skin, and I have super oily skin already, so I'm not sure what glowy skin would look like for me. So for me, it would probably be more of a natural look with just like a little bit of glow, just not that crazy glow because I'm already oily, so I don't want to look like a fried chicken. But yeah, so if you're interested in seeing what I've been doing for the last couple of weeks, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because even though we're stressed out, we are still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. I have a whole, like, my little tray. Here, I'll pick up my tray. So I have my tray full of makeup. This is all brand new makeup that I'm supposed to be trying out, and I've had it set for about a week, and I still haven't done it. It's been kind of crazy. On days that I want to look just natural and things like that, I don't do like a primer. I'll do a primer mist, and the primer mist that I have right now is the aqua primer from e.l.f. and the oil control primer from e.l.f. I'm not going to use any of these today. I'm actually just going to use my Mario Badescu skincare. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I'm going to use that as my my primer. I'm obsessed with this smell. It smells so good. And then I'm just gonna fan that. And then I tend to use a more natural like foundation, because especially because I have breakouts right now. So a couple of foundations that I've been loving that's more natural are gonna be the Benefit Hello Happy. Mine is in the number 5, which I love. This is like so good. It blurs out my pores, but it's so awesome. It looks very natural. It has light to medium coverage. Then also the L'Oreal True Match. This one is in Creamy Natural C3, and this is the cool tone one. And I really like the way that this makes my skin look like skin. Another one that is pretty light is the Mega Cushion Foundation from Wet n Wild. This has an SPF of 15. This is like really light to medium coverage. And then also the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup Healthy Glow with Vitamin Complex and Cranberry Water. This one is really good. We probably will go with this one today. I haven't used this one in a little bit. So yeah, I mean, if I'm gonna go for glowy skin, like the best one that I used so far that's glowy, because a lot of my foundations are matte or like pore filling, but mostly matte, is the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth. I'm in the color 225 medium buff, and I love this. This gives me like a natural glow. Like if I need to glow, this one is where I go. I haven't been really feeling doing eye looks, so I think I'm just going to not do eyes. Let's just focus on face right now, because that's what I've been doing. So okay, we're gonna apply this, and I have my sponge from H&M. This one's dirty. I used it yesterday, so I'm actually gonna get a fresh one. So I only have like 15 minutes literally to do this makeup look. So like I said, I'm not gonna do any eyes. I'm gonna go in super fast. So on no makeup days, like I said, don't go with heavy foundation. And I'm using my Pure Sponge. And it has a pretty good coverage. That's why I like it, but it still looks like my skin. So it covers up all those nasty blemishes that I have going on right now. I'm just gonna add a little bit more like on my cheeks area where I get like a lot of freckles and a lot of other. I know I'm gonna be going in with the concealer obviously, but still, anywhere that I have some redness, blemishes, and just take that down right here because this one doesn't want to go away. So lately I have kind of been focusing on my skin. Like I said earlier, it's just been, I haven't really been inspired to do very many eye looks. I've just been blah lately. I've just been dealing with a lot of stuff personally. So I haven't really done too many eye looks. Let's let that set for a minute. Now, to do more natural eyes, I would go with this one, the Essence Healthy Glow Concealer and Camouflage, but this is like really super brightening, so I want to kind of mix it. So I use that one along with the Flower Beauty one. Oh, you know what? Flower Beauty has their Light Illusion foundation, and they also, this is very illuminating. This is a very full, medium to full coverage foundation though. This is gonna make you look like you actually have makeup on, but it does give you that glow. Forgot to mention that one. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Flower Beauty first. And because we're not really doing like a full coverage look type of thing, I don't feel the need to like go ahead and go in with like highlighting. And that's why I use more of a concealer that's close to my skin tone versus like a brightening one. Do you see how much lighter that one is? That's why I kind of put it on the outside of it and just kind of layer them. And I also take it onto my eyes to like kind of prime, because I'm not going to be doing an eye look, but I am going to be putting some like bronzer there. So I like to have, plus I have a little discoloration, just a tiny bit. And you can see how my face looks nice and glowy from concealer and from the foundation. And then I am going to set with, I have a Laura Mercier Glow Powder, but I just don't feel like using that one. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild one that's right here, and I'm not going to set my entire face, obviously, because I want it to be nice and glowy, but I am going to set under my eyes. So I'm just going to take that on a taper brush. Let's blend this out. Make sure there's no lines, although I do have lines because I am an older lady. Or older woman. Let's see. And I'm just going to tap that in really lightly. And it's just to set like right here. And then of course I'm going to, got some creasing happening, set my eyelids. And it's just a really light wash of powder. I don't want it to look too powdery. And then anywhere that I put that concealer, I'm just going to set a bit. I'm gonna tell you very, very, very light, because I don't want to take away from the glow. So like a light little powder, just light. I love matte bronzers, so that's my problem. I don't like glowy sparkly bronzers or shimmery bronzers. This does have some shimmer in it. This is the best one I can tell you. This is the Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. This is from Tarte. And this has like some shimmer in it, so that's why I'm going to use it. It's very, very light. I don't usually like shimmer in my bronzer, but we're going for a glowy look, like I told you. So I'm just going to bronze and contour a bit. So I want to try some body shimmers. Like we have a ton of body shimmers that just came out. We have the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. We have the Patrick Ta shimmers. We have a ton of like shimmery body mists and body lotions and body oils that came out. So I am kind of interested in trying them. Just because I like to wear a lot of off the shoulder and stuff. So I'm interested in that. I might do a video if I purchase some in the future. Just kind of let me know and see if that's something that you want to see. So I have a blush that has a bit of shimmer in it, so it looks glowy. This is the Bang Beauty Smoked Peach blush, and I really like this blush. So it has like a little bit of gold in it, so I'm really light on it because like I told you, I'm not a shimmery kind of girl, but we're going for glow. We're going for the glow today. And then I'm just gonna put some blush, like just to look a little like sun-kissed blush type of thing. I'm gonna go back in with that bronzer, and I'm just going to run a little bit down my nose. I feel the need to. I'm still learning how to contour my nose. With that same brush that I just used to contour, I'm just kind of gonna throw some of this bronzer. Actually, I should use a fluffy one. Let's go with this Luxie brush. Yeah, this one can do a little better. Faster job because I have quick. I always do my eyes like a cat eye just because I feel like it elongates my eyes. I don't know. It's just a look that I like to do. I'm super interested in doing some, I tell you, graphic liners and like colored liners and things like that. I have some colored liners that I purchased from ColourPop. I saw that they have new colored gel liners. I'm weird about that because I have trouble with gel liners. I don't know why. People say they're so easy. For me, I think it's because I don't have very much patience and I need to usually do stuff in like a quick manner, and gel liners, you have to take your time. So for highlights, of course we have the highlights. So this one is by Nomad Cosmetics or Nomad Stockholm Cosmetics, and this is the color Midnight Sun, and it's their illuminating highlight powder. So I'm actually going to use this in my inner corners first. Okay. I'm also going to use it on my brow bone. Very nice. And then I usually just take some and I do like a little spotlight eye type of thing. just because I don't want my eye to look so flat. Just so like when the sun hits it, or when, you know, the lighting hits it, I have some kind of a dimension on my eye. So this is my Luxie tapered highlighting brush, and I'm just gonna go in there, tap off the excess, and then sweep. Very pretty. And I'm not doing a crazy highlight because I mean, this one is pretty pigmented. That's like, wow. But I can see the glow happening, coming through my skin from all those nice illuminating products, and the concealer, the Healthy Glow concealer, and the Essence Awake concealer. Like, I can see that shining through, like, very naturally. Very light touches. So for mascara, I've been switching. It's just a regular black mascara, but I've been switching through all of my mascaras. Today I'm going to be using the Tarte Man-Eater mascara, this little one. I have a bunch of samples of products. You guys know I don't put false lashes on like that. You can totally put false lashes if that's your thing. On these type of days, I kind of, well, usually I don't put a lot of false lashes, and I kind of just go with mascara. But you can throw some false lashes on. I don't have time to throw false lashes on, so I'm just going to mascara. Put mascara. I try to do just a little bit because my lower lashes are super long, and they tend to always transfer. Yep, and I can feel it already. I think it's gonna transfer, but whatever. I don't put anything on my lower lash under, like my lashes, like any color, because we're doing a very fresh face, like I told you, a glowy look. My lip color varies. It just kind of depends on my mood. I do a lot of nudes. I did do a bold lip the other day that I took a picture for Instagram, but mostly nudes. That's what I've been feeling. I've just been on that kind of vibe. Let's set this face so I can get my hair done, and we'll be done. Oh, I'm obsessed with this spray. I love it. Okay, so I'm back, and I went with a high ponytail. It'll probably end up in a mom bun at the end of the day because I am going to work. I lined my lips with the color from ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Love Bug. You know, I love ColourPop. And I'm going in with the, I want to say this is an Ultra Satin Lip in the color Barracuda. This may change later too. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. This is my version of glowy natural skin, still having coverage, as you can see, covered up my blemishes, but still glowing from within. And yeah, this is what I've been doing for the last like 2 weeks, just minus the lip. I've been kind of changing them out. Sometimes I end up taking the lipstick off and putting a gloss on, but you know, it's preference. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and the support, like I say all the time. Please like and share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, don't forget, and of course comment down below. Tell me what you do for your glowy look. If you do any makeup, if you do lighter makeup, if you use BB cream, CC cream, tinted moisturizers. This is kind of my take on it because, like I said, right now I have a lot of blemishes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and I appreciate all of the support, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye!